보이는 거예요. 삭제를 몇 번 해가지고.
근데 이제 그러고 나서 난 나가기를 눌렀잖아. 아무도 날 전해라. 다시 안 하는 거야.
Nah, he forgot about him. My God, we got Infinite Dangerous. When did this come out? Am I like, how late am I? 6 days, Jay? What's wrong with you? I don't know, bro. This is like, I got a lot in my life right now, bro. There's so much happening right now. But Infinite is back. My God, ain't that something beautiful? But dangerous. What are we dangerous? And there's no caption, so I'm not gonna really fully understand it. But Infinite is back. That's all I gotta say, and I'm happy. Let's go. Oh, we backstage. Ooh, okay. Whoa. Oh, damn. Titties out already? Ooh. Oh. Oh my God. He almost got hit by it. He almost got smashed by that. Oh, he got saved. Wow. I don't know if y'all know Infinite, that group though. Ooh, little bit of a Michael Jackson kind of vibe too. Yeah. It brings such a, oh my God. It gives such a big, like, hold up, I can't. Damn, listen, if you got muscles, show it off, please. Male or female? Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Here we go now. Hey, hey. Yeah. Here we go now. Ooh. My God. Ooh, okay, with the gun. Hold up, calm down. Oh, damn. Oh, his outfit's interesting too. Like his undershirt's like a sleeveless. Oh. Oh, they all have. Oh, okay, lips. Sorry, that's not the thing. First thing I saw. Okay, nails. Oh. What is happening? A little bit dangerous. Oh, like different movie shots. Bro, Infinite is considered second gen, no? This still sounds like a second generation feel too, and I'm all for it. What the hell's these cameras doing? Why he handcuffed to the freaking gate? Okay, hot and dangerous. We'll see. We'll see. Put a comment down below what you guys think of Infinite Dangerous. They back. Infinite Company. Okay. Do they have their own company? Let me subscribe to them. Infinite said that this is the time for Sungyeol's abs to shine. No, dead ass. Got me. You know, I still don't care for abs. Like, for me to get abs, I think abs are way too much hard work to keep up. So I appreciate it, those who have it, but you know what, not for me. Anyways, put a comment down below what you guys think of Infinite's Dangerous. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. This is your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. Bro, I can't talk. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it, it might just come true. And I'll see you guys to the next one.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Hey, yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of EXO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now.